What's up, you guys? Big Herc 916 tuned into another vlog. I'm out here in Malibu, about to check out a little car show, LA culture, see what's going on today. Look like there's a few cars showing up right now, still kind of early. I'm gonna get my stroll through here. Let me know if you got a favorite. You know, I'm a big car guy, so stay tuned and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. A couple of McLarens in the house. It's like you would never see another place where you see this many cars, exotics in one area. This is just a daily thing out here.
He bought the 22s online, right? He said, I need tires. So I said, okay. Only person I think of on my mind is to sit in the Bobby. So I sit in the Bobby.
Can't go wrong with this Porsche 918 Spider. Volvo, James Bond, for those who don't know. Classic lines on this car. Still sexy. It's got the luggage matching in there. Stunting. $1,800S. Gimbal is sick. Gimbal in the house. It's clean Porsche. Like I said, the car game in LA is sick, man. The only place I think that's even close is probably Miami. Unless you went somewhere crazy over in Europe, man. But as far as the States, LA is just like ridiculous. Ferrari 512. I think I've seen this one before, but I always get a video of this whenever I can because it's a classic. One of my all-time favorites. Miami Vice throwback. It's just still classic to me. The lines, the stance. Now the Miami Vice was a Testa, but this is the 512. It's a clean Huracan. I like that color. Sounding good, sounding good. Got the Eleanor over here. Got that classic gray body. He's got the, looks like he's got the automatic setup, so you can actually, you don't have to worry about shifting. So I wonder what kind of setup he has in this thing. This is all my all-time favorites also. I've always liked this body style. Got a nice look to it. Got the OG wheels on it. You a fan? Yeah. He's got the automatic setup too, so I wonder what kind of drivetrain he's running in here. .365 Ferrari. How you doing, man? Looking good, man. Those went up in value, man. They have skyrocketed since the Daytona, the outer reach. Those have just went through the roof in pricing. Ferrari F12. This thing is a beast. You don't see too many of these pretty lines, man. Interior is just classy and sporty at the same time. Beautiful lines. Classic Ferrari color. Sick, huh?
Sick. I love the color.
F12. I think this thing's like a half a milli. Matte Black Mercy.
Just told me too, the guy, what's the name? He leased that car through, what's it? Through Platinum? That's crazy. I thought it was his all the time.
Me too.
Wow.
Looking nice in the matte. Got a pretty wicked spoiler on the back too. Get a look at that. It's like the carbon fiber, but it's got a like almost like a, I don't know what kind of color you'd call that, but it's like a, oh man, it's not a,
old Firebird.
Not a monochrome. I don't know what you'd call that, but that's pretty sick. Cool spoiler on there, dude. This is I think it has, I want to say, I don't know if it's an LS in that joint. I think I've seen this too, huh? The guy was showing it there, huh? The sales guy, wasn't he? Lifter. Where else would you see one of these cars at?
Somebody was so weird, it's like, like definitely in the hills thing. Here it is, you come here, people don't burn rubber, don't rev motor, nothing like that. It's not a problem. But over there, it's a problem.
RS 3.8. Classic. An old school classic. Got a classic Jag XKE. I've always loved these body styles. So sexy. Looks like a prancing cat. I want to say this is like a 60, maybe a 69. What year is it?
This is 67.
67.
Series 1 car.
Series 1, 67. Pardon my explanation. Bullet Mustang, about to head out.
It was in my car. Not very fast. Sounded fast.
Bullet, yeah, yep. Bullet, Steve McQueen, yeah. Pagani in the house. You don't see these that often. Sick. Super rare car. That's a Zonda too.
The Zonda?
The Zonda's the one Wyclef John had. Remember? Wyclef had back in the day?
Yeah, oh, okay.
Got the Zonda in the house, y'all. Killing it. This is clean. It's Maserati right here. I'm not even sure the model, but this is right around the same era as the Ferrari Daytona. Helium. Beautiful lines.
You should see him in Brooklyn Finest. He was off Brooklyn Finest. Brooklyn Finest, he was, him and the two dudes was like, they were like raping women. And he was a rapist. He was, they had like prostitutes or something. You see
So that's Malibu Cars and Coffee, you guys, at the Malibu Country Mart. A lot of cool cars, a lot of cool people out here. Hey man, I love going to car shows, meeting all the different people. Doesn't matter where you're from, your background, you can come out here and enjoy yourself. LA life, man. Holler at me, leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite car is. Big Hurt 916.